And now that the surface is completely dry, we can start the actual sculpture. So basically what we need to do is add more volume until the final volume and prepare the surface, smoothing it or texturing it. I love this really soft clay because it allows me to go fast. So the first thing I want to do is to cover completely the surface and to give the shape. I first will work the figure without the arms and then I will add them. Here I have the two sketches, the original one and the two technical ones that I made later, which I will check constantly. I will add clay where necessary. Here, for example, where I need to add a little hump. The harder the clay, the most is necessary to soften and warming in the hand to stick it to the surface. I now start to add volume to the head because now it's very small and it can be tricky to see the right proportions. We need this big. Now I start to check the position of the shoulders. I add the chest. So we are working now the general volumes. So in this stage, I'm talking very little because it's more observing the sketch and translating what I'm seeing to the surface, the sculpture. So it's really difficult to explain in words. Here I change a little bit the shape, for example. Here adding to the neck. And now I decide to put a little volume of the nose because in this particular figure the nose is very important. It's like a large nose. So it helps me to visualize the character I'm doing. And I mark the position of the ears. And this is of course is a fantasy character, and the anatomy is really it's really strange, is not classical. And in the same way, the ears are not in the right position, they are lower. So seen from the front, I just push the clay a little bit to mark the position of the ears, and I want them to be at the same height. And now I am adjusting the neck to make it more curved. This is a turkey-like neck, and I'm trying to highlight the Adam's apple. And, and this is the chin, which I want to lower. And I want to create like a double chin. And this kind of wooden spatulas are really useful to define volumes through pushing materials. The great advantage of modeling clay is, of course, in comparison to carving wood or to carving stone, is the possibility to put material and take away carving, but you can always compensate the errors you do. Now I'm starting to do the back size of the body. So we start to define the shape of the back. Starting to add some more material here. And here I start to add volume to the shoulder blades. Because even if it is a fantastical anatomy, I want to have some realistic details. And here I'm building the spine.